Hey everyone, it's Gina Lynn here with Zappos.com, and little one, you are gonna roll in style at school with the GR8R Hi. Let's go check it out. It's from Heelys. Little one, you are gonna be rolling in style with this high top. It has a durable canvas upper, and you also got that signature logo at the side and also at the tongue. I love how you have that metallic shine and you have this full lace-up closure. There's a lot of padding around the collar and the tongue, and you have a textile lining with a nice comfortable cushion footbed. What's great too is that you have this abrasion-resistant brake pad, and also you have this low profile heels that it comes with, which is really great. You could remove it so you can wear this as a shoe, or you could even skate with it. You have this little tool here where you can pop this little hood out, and also this is where you can add your heel in as well. You could be rolling with the homies with this high top. It's from Heelys.